Hello everybody, it's lesson number 16, HSK1. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And let's start with practice words that we studied in the last lesson. First dialogue, shopping at a store. Let's go to the store this afternoon. 下午我们去商店吧。下午 afternoon later, so 我们 we to go to, it could be any possible way to go, not like walking. To 商店 it's store 商店 店 it could be a variety of places like 商店餐店and 酒店, so but 商 here is represent business, some you buy something, you sell something, so it's store. 商店吧 and 吧 here's let's. 下午我们去商店吧。Next one, great idea. What do you want to buy? 好主意 good idea. 主意 it's idea, suggestion. What do you want to buy? 你想买什么？你想买 you want 买你想买 you want to buy what? 什么 what? 什么 I want to buy a cup and some tea. 我想买一个杯子和一些茶。I want to buy 一个杯子 one cup. Or in English it's a cup. 一个杯子和 and what? 一些茶些 represent some or few. It's countable. If it's countable, because cha it's not countable, so it's some tea. 一些茶 We could also say 一些杯子 if it's few cups, but here is cha. How much are the cups at the store? 这家商店的杯子多少钱？家 here is represent not family, it's a major word for businesses. So this store,这家商店 the store, the 杯子 in the store. So this they represent. Which 杯子 belong to 这家商店的杯子？多少钱 a lot or small amount of money, so how much? 多少钱 This cup cost 20 yuan. 这个杯子20块。这个杯子 this cup 这个杯子20块20块 to 10 yuan, so 20 yuan 20块。As we know, 块 it's a colloquial name for yuan, so in the speaking language. Not in the written language, of course, it's another character. So it's yuan in written language. Dialogue number 2, talking about food and drinks. Do you like drinking tea? 你喜欢喝茶吗？你喜欢 you want or you like 喝茶 to drink tea, and 吗 on the end it's a question particle. Yes, I drink tea every afternoon. How about you? 喜欢我每天 every day 下午 afternoon every day and afternoon 都 every time or always 都喝茶 I drink tea. So I drink tea every afternoon. 你呢 how about you? 你呢 reverse question. 都 here represent every day, always, just for emphasizing. Next one, I also like drinking tea. Do you like eating rice? 我也喜欢喝茶。I also like to drink tea. 我也喜欢 because it's second free. 我也喜欢喝茶 to drink tea. Do you like eating rice? 你喜欢吃米饭吗？你喜欢吃米饭 In English, it's just rice. It's not cooked rice, but in reality, it's cooked rice, not raw rice. So, and next one, yes, rice is very delicious. 喜欢米饭很好吃。Rice is very pleasure to eat. It's good to eat. So 米饭很好吃。Next one, dialogue number 3, asking about prices. AAP. Excuse me, how much is this book? 请问 could I ask? Please, may I ask? 请问这本书多少钱？这本书本 it's a measure word for books. 这本书 this book 多少钱 how much money? So what does it cost? 多少钱 This book costs 30 yuan. 这本书30块。这本书 this book 30块。Free 10 yuan, so 30. 30块。How about that one? 那本呢 As we can see, na it represents that, not this, because j it's this, na it's that. Na ban, as we can see, there is no shu, because we could not say na shuna. We could say na ban shuna, but we could also remove bu or we remove shu because it's already implied in this previous sentence. So ben it's enough. Na ben no. Here's also we could say what about this book. So and it could be this book. No. So it's just it could be omitted, but also for question. And here represent questions. Na ben. Chinese people have a lot of this end particles which hard to translate. That one costs 25 yuan. 那本25块。那本25块。That book also you can say just ban. 那本 it's also not only ban, it's any measure word could be used like this. 那本25 so 25 25块 25 yuan. 谢谢 thank you 谢谢 Some people could say 谢谢 but 谢谢 it's closest to mainland China, Beijing, North dialect. Next one, planning for the afternoon. Are you free this afternoon? 今天下午你有空吗？今天 this day 下午 so today afternoon 今天下午你有空吗？你有空 You have 空 we already know it's free time. So 有空 to have a free time 没有空 I don't have a free time. 你有空吗？ Oh, are you free? Yes, I'm free. What do you want to do? 有空 空 We need emphasize on 空有空你想做什么？做 so also emphasizing 你想做什么？ You want to do 做 to do something. 你想做什么？ What do you want to do? I want to go to the store to buy some things. 我想去商店。我想去 闪点，买点东西，买点东西。I want to go to where? 闪点 to the store. To do what? 买 to buy and to buy what? 东西 it's some things. But 点 here represent a few amount of something. So some to buy something. 买点东西 to buy something, just not surely how, like 2 or 5 or 10. So 买点东西 to buy something. And okay, let's go together. How? Oh, it could be how. Oh, could be sing. But how? 我们一起去吧。我们一起 we together 一起 together 去 to go to some and 吧 let's go together. 我们一起去吧。And last one for today, talking about money. How much money do you have? 你有多少钱？你有多少钱？ You have a lot or a small? 多少 or little better because 少 it's small, but small 少还有小 is for quantity. How much money do you have? 你有多少钱？ money. I have 50 yuan. How about you? 我有50块。我有50块。50块 50. 5, 10. 50块。你呢 What about you? I have 100 yuan. 我有100块。By is 100. So because it's 100, it could be 200 for 200, 300. 我有100块100 yuan. What do you want to buy? 你想买什么？你想买什么？ What do you want to buy? I want to buy a cup and some tea. 我想买 or it could be 我想买 just half third. 我想买一个杯子 one cup. 喝 second one 喝一些茶 some tea 一些茶 some amount of tea, maybe 200, maybe 500 gram. So 差不多。我想买一个杯子，喝一些茶。So it's all for today. We just wanted to practice, to learn. And on the next lesson, we will practice new words. We will learn new words because we, in this HSK 4, I think, HSK 1, 30 lessons. 30. So be safe and practice every day. So see you.